Wondering what all the hype is? Are you wondering why gut health is important? In this video, I'm going to tell you 5 reasons why gut health is important. Hi, I'm Wendy Frazier. To get the best tips for better gut health, hit that subscribe button and smash that bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a new video. Stick around to the end where you're going to be able to download my free guide to the best supplements for gut health and bloating. I've experienced digestive issues for most of my life. I've tried everything: cleanses, supplements, elimination diets, meditation, visualization, you name it, I've tried it. Just over 10 years ago, I discovered some baseline behaviors and supplements that actually work. I stopped buying everything that sounded good on Amazon reviews and focused on a specific lifestyle and a few supplements. And it worked. And I'm here to help you shorten your learning curve so that you can stop endlessly researching and finally settle down with a game plan that works. Stick around to the end where you'll be able to download my free guide to the best supplements for gut health and bloating. You can also find me on Instagram at Wendy Loves Oils, where I share some fun tutorials on natural living. Our gut, also known as the digestive system, is far more than just a food-producing factory. It plays a vital role in multiple aspects of our health. So here are 5 reasons why you want to get a better gut. Reason number 1, gut health equals mental health. The gut and the brain communicate through a complex network called the gut-brain axis. There is a clear connection between gut health and mental health. A healthy gut promotes a balanced mood, reduces stress levels, and may even contribute to better cognitive function. Be sure to check out my video called, you guessed it, Gut Bacteria and Mental Health, where I break this down in an easy way for you to understand. Reason number 2, gut health equals immunity. A significant portion of our immune system resides right in our gut. A healthy gut microbiome, which is a community of beneficial bacteria, helps to defend against gut bacteria imbalance. That means it helps to defend against the bad guys, and it strengthens our immune response. By working to get a better gut, you're giving your immune system the boost that it needs to keep you healthy and resilient. Reason number 3, gut health equals metabolic health. Did you know that your gut bacteria can influence your metabolism? The composition of your gut microbiome can affect how efficiently your body processes and absorbs nutrients. And when there is gut bacteria imbalance, this becomes more difficult. Better gut health can help regulate blood sugar levels, it can help support weight management, and improve your overall metabolic function. When it comes to better metabolism, a healthy gut is the secret ingredient. Reason number 4, gut health equals energy. Have you ever experienced that mid-afternoon slump, read your kids a book at 3 o'clock and make that mistake only once? This is one of the 10 signs of an unhealthy gut, so be sure to check out that video. A healthy gut absorbs nutrients and vitamins, minerals, everything that's vital for energy production in our body. Plus, a balanced gut microbiome helps to break down food more efficiently, maximizing nutrient absorption. If you want more energy, look to improve your gut health. I think I'm going to do a video on mitochondria. Tell me in the comments if you want to know about that, how food affects your mitochondria. Reason number 5, better gut health equals hormone balance. Our gut bacteria play a surprising role in hormone regulation. A gut bacteria imbalance can disrupt the delicate balance of hormones in our bodies, leading to various issues like irregular menstrual cycles, mood swings, and even fertility problems. For example, there are certain bacteria in the gut that can metabolize estrogen into different forms, which can affect its activity and subsequently our hormone balance. So an imbalance in gut bacteria can disrupt estrogen metabolism, potentially leading to estrogen dominance or deficiency. This also results in irregular periods, moodiness, and possibly reproductive issues. Probiotics for women's health is a good place to start. If you want to learn more about that, check out my video, How to Restore Stomach Lining Naturally. And there you have it, mental health, immunity, metabolic function, energy levels, and hormone balance. All pretty solid reasons to take a good look at your gut. Remember that healing takes time. The best changes are the ones that you can stick to, so start with small steps that you can live with. That's the power of rituals. That's the power of habits for a healthy life. If you want a guide on your path to get a better gut, book a discovery call with me. As a functional nutrition coach, I can help you create a wellness plan that is simple, fits your lifestyle, and gets you real results. If you like this video about surprising gut health supplements, I know you're going to love my video, Gut Bacteria and Mental Health, where I share the unique connection between the gut and the brain. Make sure to watch that video next. As promised, I'll share with you how to download your free guide to the best supplements for gut health and bloating. Just click the link below in the description and that will lead you to your free download.